Okay, this is the ElCamino. It's September 21st. It's a Friday, and this ElCamino, my ElCamino, my baby, has been sitting here in this garage, covered for almost 5 years. And it has never been so dirty, and it's time to get it fixed. So this is heartbreaking for me to open up this hood. I've only looked at it once or twice since I parked it here, and it is filthy. It is amazing. Poor thing. Good news is it's gonna go get fixed. It's gonna go get fixed. I'm excited for that. Anyway, let's do a walk around the ElCamino. Like I said, it's been parked for, I don't know, more than 4 years and less than 5. It is a 1970 Chevy ElCamino. I've gone through a couple of restoration jobs on it. The first one was putting in the 572 and a different interior. You can see videos on that. And then second restoration was air ride suspension. Air ride, we did a different interior. What it is now. And I think a new fuel tank or whatever. This one was, the frame came off the car, and we powder coated the frame, rhino-lined the entire underneath of the car. Yep, so that kind of stuff. But this time we're gonna fix the broken beast and turn it back into Cinderella. I'm not sure what that meant. We're going to turn it back into the beauty. Anyway, going to get rid of a manual fuel pump. And we are going to do, hopefully, a hydraulic clutch. It's all depending on how much money I have. Hydraulic clutch. We're going to do an EFI carb system. We're going to get rid of a carburetor. It's going to be an EFI. We are going to do probably a fuel pump or something in here. And I'm looking at the Holly system for fuel injection. And it's so dirty, I can't believe it. There has never been a speck of dirt on this engine. Of course, there has, but I've always kept it so clean. Anyway, I can't cry about it. It's my baby. And it's going to get back fixed. It's going to be stronger, better than ever before. And we started with the tour. Anyway, it's got bare tracker brakes, Foose wheels. I don't remember all the dimensions, but it's a beast. Air ride technology suspension, 5-gallon fuel tank, 2 pumps. Remove the battery to the back. Put use to this back compartment here. And just can't wait to get it back on the road. It's had a tarp over it for 5 years. Anyway, tarp is off. Tarp is off. It's time to get this beast fixed. Yep. It's time to get this beast rolling. Alright, I'm excited. It was depressing seeing the engine, but exciting to just know it's going to be back in the shop. It goes on Monday, so today's the 21st, Saturday the 22nd, Sunday the 23rd, the 24th, I guess. So, alright. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Appreciate it.